7. Just tell them I'm wherever my car is, just go into the wooded area right there.
10-4, ma'am.
No, I know where we're going. I got it. Come on. Christina. Come on. Show me where we're going. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. I got Narcan. Don't worry. I've got a bunch of Narcan. Show me where he's at. Which one? Where is he at? Keep going. Just keep going, okay? Do not stop compressions. You got it? Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hey, Delta 3, go ahead and advise that Narcan has been administered in his right nostril.
I copy. Narcan administered, right nostril, 12, 13 hours.
Keep going, keep going. You're good, you're good. Keep going. We're going to try one more time. We're going to try the left nostril now. There we go. Hold on. Hold on. It's okay. We got it. We're going.
Left nostril, 12, 13.
Okay, come on. Keep going. Okay, now watch out. Let me handle it. It's fine. He's fine. He's fine. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Okay, we got it. We got it.
There's a lighter right here.
Come on. Come on. Hold on. Just hold on. Can you go back out there for fire rescue? Point him to us, please. I got one more Narcan in my pocket. Just hold on. Hold on. He's breathing. I'm going to do one more Narcan. One more Narcan I'm going to do. That'll make 3.
Box 3, I'll send down the next. It's SCTA if you make contact. It's a no issue.
Okay, Delta 3. One more Narcan to the right. We're good. Listen, I'm happy if everyone survives. That's all that matters. Yeah, that's what I said. As long as he survives, I'm a happy camper. It's worth everything. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Whoa, hold on.
He's going to want to cough.
Watch out for the needle.